Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install VS Code on Windows 10. Just go to any browser and type download VS Code. Then click on download Visual Studio Code. And you can see here it says Windows and then Windows 10, 11. So just click on Windows. The download will start. Select I accept the agreement and then click on next. Now click on next. Make sure to tick all the boxes. And then click on next. Now install.